The European Union slammed threats against the International Criminal Court after the United States vowed a sweeping campaign against the tribunal. European Union spokesman Anouar El Anouni, in response, said the EU is strongly committed to international criminal justice and the fight against impunity and attacks or threats against the counter-elected officials, personnel, or those operating with the court are simply not acceptable.
Attacks or threats against the court, elected officials, personnel, or those cooperating with the court are simply not acceptable. And let's also recall that the ICC does not target sovereign states, nor does it constitute a threat to their sovereignty.
Washington menaced the court with further sanctions and other measures, accusing it of posing an intolerable threat to U.S. sovereignty. The Trump administration said it will pressure other countries to withdraw from the court, making a sharp escalation in the U.S. efforts to isolate the Hague-based institution and starve it of political and financial support. The State Department said in a statement that the campaign will systematically disable the ICC's ability to operate, target American servicemen or officials, or otherwise threaten American sovereignty. The U.S. has previously targeted individual court officials it deemed a threat to U.S. interests. In February 2025, shortly after President Donald Trump returned to office, Washington slapped access freeze and travel bans on several ICC officials and an arrest warrant issued for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu over the war in Gaza. The U.S., like Israel, has not ratified the international treaty that established the ICC, and it has rejected its court's jurisdiction in cases involving the U.S. or Israel. 3 ICC judges, sanctioned by the Trump administration, filed a lawsuit in June against the president and other senior U.S. officials, arguing that the measures imposed on them were unlawful. Established in 2002, the ICC prosecutes individuals accused of the gravest atrocities, including war crimes, crimes against humanity, and genocide.
To residents and to journalists